Yo, what is up, guys? In this little video, we're gonna be setting up our application. So let's just get started. I'm gonna name this community app. All right, create. Awesome. We're gonna have a couple different storyboards in here. Well, it's taking a little while. There we go. Let's add a new view controller. Wait a second. Okay, let's zoom out. Let's add another one down here. And then another one. And then if you right click from the controller and drag and you click relation segues view controllers, that's how you do it. Perfect. So what is this? Alright, if you click down there, you can actually change the title. This one, what did we name it? Hey, what's up, Lucas? How's it going? If you guys have any questions, leave that in the comments. If you guys have any questions right now, I can answer it. So I think I opened up. I built this because it's kind of a little confusing, but I opened up the wrong application. I don't remember what we were gonna name this one. We have like tips. Then we got what was it? Oh yeah, tutorials. That's what it was. Tutorials. Okay, and then we'll have the image later on. In tutorials, we just want to slide in a UIWebView. Okay. Drop that in there. Drag this down a little bit. Then we want another UI view because on the web view, people need to be able to go back and forth. So like on a Safari, for instance, there's the back button, so you can go back to your previous page, or you can go to like forward button. But you actually have to do that yourself. So we're gonna add that in here. UI button. Throw that in there. Make it a little bit bigger. Text color. I don't know. We'll change this up later. Throw that there. Duplicate that. Awesome. But this one's going to be forward. Okay. And we can pin it. Thank you, Yantek. I hope I pronounced that right. How you guys doing? And then we have to give that a fixed width. That's why it's red. Oh geez, 4. Okay, now we have to pin this one. There. That one's all good. Now we gotta pin this one. 4, and 8. And give it a fixed width. Oh no, what's going on? If you guys didn't notice that, right here there's like a little red arrow. So if there's ever constraint problems, the red arrow will pop up and you can just click that. And it says missing constraints. Y position. On which one? And then you can click the ruler as well and scroll down here and you'll see your constraints. 8. Okay, top bottom width, trailing space, leading space. I don't know what's. You can add the missing constraint. Okay. I don't think it added anything, did it? Who knows? But it's working now. Let's create a new. I think in my last video on how to make a social media app, or the episode, I told you guys a little bit about model view controller, which really helps with your code and being able to find where stuff is when you have a bigger app. So I'm going to use that in here, model view controller. Someone messaged me on LinkedIn, I think it was, and there's something else like it's like model view model or something like that. I guess some Microsoft guy made this thing up. Who knows? I like MVC, but if you guys like, I think it's I don't remember what it was. I'll tell you guys later. But we got to create a new controller. So file new, file, Cocoa Touch class, UIWebView controller. We're gonna name this YouTube VC. Good. Next. It's good. Create. All right. We don't need to import anything. So we're gonna have our @IB outlet weak var. What are we name this? WebView, I guess. That's gonna be a type of UIWebView. Oh, sorry, I thought I saw someone comment. Okay, perfect. And then we're gonna up here we're gonna have UIWebView delegate. Okay, in view.load, we'll just say WebView, which is connecting. Like if you hold Command and you go over and you click on it, then it kind of shows you where the variable comes from. So we're talking about our WebView on our view controller dot delegate equals self. Okay, and then down here we're gonna want to create 2 IB actions. This one's gonna be IB action func go back, and the sender is gonna be of type any object, and here we'll just say WebView. No, we gotta say if WebView dot can go back. We'll just say WebView dot go back. Otherwise, if it can't go back and you try calling the go back function, you'll just have a crash. So @IB action func go forward. I just gotta make sure I spell that right. Sender is gonna be of type any object. Awesome. If WebView.can go forward, let's say WebView.go forward. Awesome. And then in here we also got to say WebView.load request, and we're gonna have a URL request. And that's going to have a URL. A URL. And the URL is going to be a URL. And we're going to say string. Yeah, right there. Let's go to Safari. We can pull up the website we want to be loaded, which is going to be the YouTube channel. Command Z. I'll make sure this is a string, of course. Awesome. Save that. You can drag these controllers in here as well. Alright, made a storyboard. Everything there should be good. Alright, what's going on? Alright, that's fine. The view controller is going to be of type UIWebView. Perfect. And then we can link up, go backward, touch up inside. Oh, whoops. Touch up inside. And then go forward will be touch up inside as well. Okay. And then we got to link up our UIWebView. Otherwise we'll just crash. And everything should work, so let's run that. I wish I could just edit this out, but real life problems. On my MacBook, this thing loads up just like that, but this is my Mac Mini, so it's a little bit slower. Hopefully Apple comes out with a new one. That'd be cool. I like the Mac Minis, they're pretty awesome. Wait, can you guys hear me? I hope you can. I don't know if it's quiet or not. This thing takes forever to load. Yeah, so if you guys are buying a Mac to program on, make sure you get a fast processor, because otherwise you'll be sitting all the time waiting for the simulator to work. So I'm trying to get music on the stream. I just don't know about all the legal aspects of it, so soon I'll have it all figured out, and then we'll have music, so it's not so boring or anything. We have some pumping tunes and stuff up in here. Alright, here we go. It's gonna load. Loading alright. So as it's running, I don't know. We'll stop it. We'll run it again. What's up, what's up? Yo, we got 4 people on right now. Awesome. Alright, there we go. It worked. So if we click on tutorials, when it loads, I'll have like something for loading here, but it's not loading up. Oh, there we go. So it did load. We gotta fix the height of this. Okay. But for instance, say that I clicked, live now before watching, but I clicked on the messaging video. Right, it pops up. And I want to go back, so I click back, it goes back. If I want to go forward, it goes forward. Without these buttons,
guys? Casey here.
You wouldn't be able to do that. So thanks to these buttons, we can. Let's fix the constraint problems we have. Let's click on the web view, and we give it a fixed height. Let's delete that. Let's just pin it to the bottom. Put that at 0. Alright, so it's pinned to the view, and we give the view a height of 38. You run that again. This is like real programming problems. Like in my videos, it looks like I just come up with this stuff out of my head, but really it's because I've already done it, and it's trial and error. You do something, figure out if it works. If it doesn't, then how can you make it work? If it works, awesome. So that's pretty much how it goes for developing. It's not as easy as in the videos. It looks like I'm a genius or something. Alright, tutorials. Still. Alright. Huh. So you got top. No, I don't want to pin that to the top. No, we don't have top spacing. Height 38. Align, line, bottom. This. Alright. So I was actually, this view is constrained to the top up here. So that's why, I believe that's why I was doing that. Yeah, there we go. And you can add a little animation for right here, because UIWebView actually does have a is loading variable. So like if it is loading, then have this animation playing. Alright, it's gonna load. Hello. I don't know why it's not loading. Probably because my computer is slow. Yeah, my videos, when I use this computer, I like edit out all the slow parts. But live streaming, y'all get to see what it's really like. So that's pretty much the end of this video. You can always add cool stuff with like colors, all that stuff. On my actual app, in the background of the UIWebView, it's gonna have a different color, so you can change the color. So then when someone's scrolling, and they come to the end of the page, the background is a different color. But yeah, other than that, you can change these little items on here with the image. So if I want to do the first image, then it changes, second image. See that? So you can put in your own custom ones in the assets folder. But I guess we can add view controllers for the last one, and then we'll call this video done. So controller, file, new file. I just right click on the folder. What's this one? No, I think this is gonna be quiz BC. Alright, awesome. And then we'll link that up, and then we'll be done. Alright, sweet, there we go. Sorry guys, I'm a little sick, but I appreciate all of you guys for watching this stream. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel. At the bottom, I think you can click and subscribe. But I love this YouTube channel. It's been fun. I just like making apps for you guys. And well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. Have a good one. Thanks for the comments too, guys. You're awesome.